let it walk up between the cables and go gentle and get it all in there.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
Ha!
Nice.
There's a hole in the door.
There's a hole. You want to get the last one?
I made it. Okay, so now pilot hole in the middle.
Right on that little dot.
A little dot. So there's a bit here. Pilot hole. Okay, this is where reading glasses would be great. All right, there we go. And then it's on low speed.
Yep, it's on the lower
speed.
Lower torquey settings.
Lower
and get
torquey.
behind that drill.
Okay.
And you want to go in straight to the surface. You don't want any
Okay, right,
angle.
straight.
Right.
No crookedness. Is that a good sound? Ha!
Bingo.
Okay. That may be one of my very favorite things to do now in the van build process. If only we needed more holes. Darn it.
Yeah, we'll just leave that cutter with me. You don't need any more holes. We're good.
This is an 1 1/8" cutter bit. It's a bit pricey, about $40, but you may need to use it on more than your sliding door of your van, depending on the model of your van, the make and model. Worth looking into. There are other ways to cut holes as well, but this was super effective. Okay, so let's judge our length here. And the length looks like, oh, sorry.
I say pull the whole thing in.
Sorry. You say pull the whole thing in?
I just say cut one long strip, we pull it in, and
all right, that's what we'll do. And we're gonna go with this width.
yeah.
Okay, perfect. Okay, just cutting it. It cuts real easy. Okay.
Turn your angle. You don't need.
It doesn't
all we
have
need to
to
do is
be-
get a little grab on that fish tape.
Right. It doesn't
And
have.
that's plenty there.
Okay. There we go. Good. All right. So we're gonna get this now.
Pull. This is gonna grab a little, so go slowly.
Okay. Pull nice and slow. Just pulling on it. Oh my gosh, look at that. It totally cleared it. That was really fast and easy.
Yeah, we got it behind all this.
That's wonderful.
It went well.
So you were guiding it behind all of
Just
that.
kind of like feeding it, Jim, so it didn't pull apart or snag, or you come up with half of it.
Yeah.
We just kind of let it walk up between the cables and go gentle and get it all in there.
That's
So,
wonderful. Yeah. Okay.
That went really well. You want to pull that off of there? Nice.
I feel like it's going to pull down, so I'm going to tape it to the. Where's that blue tape? Will this stick to the metal?
No,
too?
won't, not permanently. Not for that
What do
purpose.
you do with that blue tape?
That's good for wrapping, but not taping anything to anything else.
Oh, I have this heavy duty. Can you hold this here, please?
I got it.
Okay, I'm going to use this heavy duty magnet right now to hold it in place. Okay. Good.
Got
So
it made.
yeah. So now all that's left is to stuff the top between the two sides, and we'll do that by hand rather than using a fish line. This is going to make a huge difference. This is creating that thermal break because you could just feel the cold coming in. I had it covered with bubble wrap, which helped a lot, an awful lot. But who wants to be taking up and down their huge sheet of bubble wrap every day, and then where do you store it? So this is a big improvement.